Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to erase something from a picture on your iPhone. First, locate and tap the Photos app icon on your home screen. It usually looks like a colorful pinwheel, a familiar sight for most users. This action opens your entire photo library, where all your pictures are stored for easy access. You will soon select the exact image you wish to modify. Once inside your Photos app, scroll through your albums or all photos until you find the perfect picture. Tap on the desired image to open it. Then, look for the Edit button, usually situated in the top right corner of your screen. Pressing this button will open up the comprehensive editing interface, providing various tools to enhance your photo. Inside the editing screen, look for the tools at the bottom of your display. You are searching for the Object Removal tool, often represented by an icon that resembles a small brush or a broken line. This feature might be specifically called Retouch. Once you tap this particular icon, you are ready to begin intelligently removing unwanted elements from your picture. Now, with the Retouch tool active, gently use your finger to brush directly over the unwanted object in your photograph. The iPhone's smart algorithms will then analyze the surrounding area and seamlessly fill in the space, making the object disappear. You can make your brush strokes short and precise or broader for larger areas. If you make a mistake, simply tap the Undo button.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.